Oh, here we go. Oh, it's gone black. Oh, it's back. Oh, sing it loud. I thought I could be swift and smooth. Look at all this stuff that Oculus is putting out now. I don't know why you'd want to do a roller coaster, though. I really don't. If you haven't watched The Crow, watch The Crow. Anyway, the reason for being here is that I want to. I got oh, so much to do. I want to run through the intro to The Climb too, because I tried it. They really want to tie this to Facebook, don't they? I did the
Achieved with CryEngine.
tutorial, and I wasn't happy with it. I found it quite hard to follow a lot of the instructions, as it should be designed for idiots. Hold on, here we go. Right, I want to do the tutorial. This is The Climb 2. I never did The Climb 1. I never got around to it. But,
Hey there. Welcome to the tutorial.
hello?
First, we'll focus on climbing.
Hello?
Later, we'll talk about stamina and chalk.
Right,
So, let's get started.
right, let's...
Look up and find the flag. Flags mark checkpoints.
Flag. Good, it's up there. Got it.
Okay, to take hold of a grip, use your left or right grip trigger. Each controller maps directly to the hands you see. Now let's start climbing. Use the controls to grab and hold on to a grip.
See, it shouldn't be trigger. It should be the grip button. They've messed it up right from the beginning. And you should be able to remap your controls.
You've reached a save point.
Yeah,
If you fall, you will always restart at the last save point you activated.
that's nice.
Some grips can only be reached by jumping. To do this, look in the direction you want to jump and press the jump button. You might need to reach out to hold on to another grip.
Which button? It doesn't tell you which button is the jump button. It highlights all the buttons. I'm going to guess it's this. Oh, oh. Well, that was, see? Okay. It didn't tell me what the jump, oh, that's the jump button, okay.
You can also
Yeah,
jump
that was-
by looking in the direction you want to leap and then quickly pushing yourself off from the wall. Release the hand you've pushed with and reach out with the other hand to hold on to another grip. Very good. You made
That was
it.
freaky. Alright.
Place both hands on the ledge and pull yourself up by pushing both controllers down.
Smooth.
Well done.
Thank you.
At a checkpoint, the timer is paused until you are ready to continue. You can check how much time has passed on your watch. Okay, now let's talk about stamina and chalk.
Oh, the watch.
The amount of stamina for each hand is displayed on the hand itself. Look at the stamina indicator to continue.
Alright, that's stamina.
Hold on to the grip with one hand until your stamina is fully depleted.
That was easy.
If you hold on to a grip with one hand, that hand
Should
loses
be the
stamina,
grip button.
while your free hand regains stamina.
We're going to grip
If you
with the
hold on with
non-grip
both
button.
hands, both regain stamina.
Idiots.
You can increase your total stamina by chalking your hands.
What's the grip button for then? If it's not for
To
gripping.
chalk your hands, hold the chalk trigger on the controller and twist your wrist. A sound will inform you when you're done.
Chalk. Grip
Chalk
is chalk.
depletes every time you grab a grip, so make sure to re-chalk your hands often. Now press the hint button to see your next route. You can do this. Okay, let's continue.
That was weird.
On some grips, you can slide down. You will fall off at the end, and sometimes you might need to jump in time to reach the next grip.
That was freaky. Oh.
You also lose stamina by jumping or falling.
Ooh, that was weird.
Sometimes it's a good idea to grab with both hands above your head. Climb across these bars to get to the other side. You may need to stretch your arms a little. In some places, you can use a zip line across larger gaps. Grab both handles to set it in motion. If you let go with one hand, the zip line stops. Remember, holding with only one hand drains your stamina. Well done! The second checkpoint is getting close. Well done. Let's take a small break before continuing.
Da, da, da.
Let's talk about grips now.
All right.
There are different kinds of grips that affect climbing in different ways. Crumbling grips break off after you grab them, so make sure to pass them as quickly as you can.
Oh, scary, scary, scary,
It looks like this is a dead end. But don't worry, you can rewind yourself to get back to the last checkpoint.
Rewind yourself.
Let's use the rewind button
Yes.
to go back.
Let's. What's the rewind button?
Very good. You made it.
Thank you.
But remember, you can only rewind once per climb.
All right.
Okay, let's continue. You can maintain stamina by using the half press technique. Look at the half press indicator and slowly press the grip trigger down halfway to max. When it turns blue, you are in the ideal range. Okay, let's continue. Hold on to this technical grip with a half press for a few seconds. Great job. Half press is not required to climb, but if you master this technique, you can climb without chalking. You can try this out again on the next grips. Technical grips drain your stamina more quickly than normal grips. You can use the half press technique here to maintain your stamina. Some grips are dirty, and you have to clean them before grabbing them. To clean a grip, reach out and hold the grip button in range. Once clean, your hand will grab the grip automatically. Some grips have sharp edges. Gripping a sharp edge affects your vision and drains a lot of stamina all at once.
Oh,
While gripping a sharp-edged grip, the hand holding it cannot regain stamina. Congratulations! You have successfully finished the tutorial.
okay, that was weird. Alright, that's the tutorial. Yay. Cool. I'm not going to climb anything just yet. I just wanted to run through the tutorial just for myself, you know? You ever want to do something just for yourself? Okay. My name's G. I represent the Academy. Did you see me punching the lights there? Did you see that? Alright. Now I gotta shut this. I gotta shut this all down. Here we go. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, have a fantastic day.